Every 10 seconds, a company falls victim to a ransomware attack, threatening its operations and financial stability. Could your business withstand such a crisis? Strengthen your defenses with proactive measures to ensure resilience and continuity in the face of evolving cyber threats. In a devastating example, a small law firm became a victim of ransomware. Hackers locked them out of all client files, forcing them to pay $50,000 in ransom. The worst part? The hackers vanished and their files were never returned. Imagine the chaos. 1. Establish a robust data backup routine by creating daily backups of critical information, with at least one copy stored offline. Offline backups provide a vital safeguard against ransomware and data loss, ensuring swift recovery and uninterrupted business operations in the face of cyber threats. Avoid downloading unknown attachments, as they may contain malicious software or phishing links designed to compromise your system and data. Exercise caution and verify the source before opening any unsolicited files to protect your organization from potential cyber threats. Ensure your antivirus software is consistently updated to protect against the latest cyber threats. Regular updates enhance its ability to detect and neutralize emerging malware, safeguarding your systems and sensitive data from potential breaches. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your data like a pro. Follow us for expert tips and make sure your business stays safe from ransomware threats. Let's beat the hackers together.